It's just past 2 a.m. in Winter Springs. A vehicle is spotted cruising in total darkness. A massive red flag for patrol. What begins as a safety stop for no headlights quickly escalates when the driver drops the most common line in DUI history. Let's see if the evidence matches her story.
Hello.
Hi.
How you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. Deputy Madisyn County Sheriff's Office. Reason for the stop is your tag light is out. Were you aware of that?
Oh, I was not.
That's the one that lights up the license plate, in case you're wondering.
Oh, sorry. I'm looking for it right now.
Okay. Yeah, if I can get your license, registration, proof of insurance, please. Where are you heading to?
I'm still home.
Oh.
I'm literally a couple of turns
Oh,
away.
we close?
Yes, very close.
Where you coming from?
Flanagan's.
Oh, gotcha.
Sorry.
Did you have anything to drink while you were there?
I had a couple, but nothing crazy.
Gotcha.
And then I think my insurance cards are on my phone. Can I pull this up to you?
How many is a couple?
Just two.
Just two?
Yeah.
Two what?
Two margaritas.
Gotcha.
I worked at Buffalo Wild Wings, so I closed last night, or I closed tonight, but I was just meeting a couple friends. It was
Okay.
my last night in town.
What kind of margaritas?
Strawberry.
Strawberry?
Of course.
Is that your favorite?
It is, yeah.
Fair enough. What's a good phone number for you?
I don't know if that's the right thing or not.
Policy number, car. Okay, cool. Alright, right back with you, okay?
Okay.
Alrighty, so when I walked up and started talking to you, okay, I smelled a little bit of the impurities of alcohol coming off your breath, okay? You said you had 2 margaritas while you were at Flanagan's, okay? I'm trying to make sure you're good to drive. So, are you willing to participate in field sobriety exercises to make sure that you're good to operate a motor vehicle?
Sure,
Okay.
absolutely.
Go ahead and step out for me. Alright, what we're going to do is just, I'm going to cut my lights off so it's not so bright, okay? So just hang tight right here, okay? Alright, so there's a couple exercises that I want to do to make sure that you're good to drive, okay? We're going to go through them step by step so there's nothing missed, okay? Alright, so first things first, I'm going to check your eyes, okay? Real quick, are you comfortable in the shoes you're wearing?
Yeah, absolutely.
Does this ground seem relatively level to you?
Absolutely.
Okay. What I'm going to have you do is just stand facing me, come over here. Heels together, toes together, just like that. Hands down by your sides, okay? Stay in this position for the duration of the exercise, okay? You wear glasses or contacts? Okay. Do you have any diagnosis that would mimic impairment? No? Okay. Can you see this? Right. So you're going to follow this with your eyes and your eyes only, okay? Don't move your head. I'm going to track for equal tracking on your eyes, okay? Don't move your head. Don't move your head. Alright, so the same thing, just up and down, okay? So remember, only your eyes, don't move your head. Next thing, you can relax. Next thing we're going to do is going to be the walk and turn, okay? So again, I'm going to read the instructions out to you, and I'm going to demonstrate, okay? So from that position right there, what you're going to do is you're going to look like this. So you're going to place your left foot on, or just imagine there's a line here, okay? So left foot down, right foot in front, just like this, okay? Heel to toe, hands down by your sides. What you're going to do is you're going to take a series of small steps, okay? It's going to look like this. 1, 2, 3, and so on down to 9, okay? Once you take that 9th step, whatever your lead foot is, you're going to leave that on the line, and you're going to do a series of small steps to turn around, okay? It's going to look like this. Watch my feet. Okay? You're going to take 9 back. 1, 2, 3, and so on down to 9, okay? You understand the instructions as I read them to you?
Yes.
Any questions at all? Okay. Making sure one more time. You're comfortable in your shoes. You're good to go? All right. Hold on just a second. Go ahead. Count out loud as you go. I apologize.
3,
Yep.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, I'm sorry. Turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay. Next one is going to be the one leg stand, okay? So, same position, so heels, toes touching together. Hands down by your side. Stay like that until I tell you to, okay? Alright, what you're going to do is you're going to pick a leg, whatever leg you want. Remember, keep your... I'm sorry?
My right.
Your right leg? Okay, that's fine. Just keep your hands down, heels and toes touching, just like that, okay? You're going to pick whatever leg you want. You're going to raise it approximately 6 inches up the air, okay? So it's going to be parallel to the ground, just like they are now. Parallel, okay? So, it's not going to be like a... I'm sorry, you're going to count out 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, and so on until I tell you to stop. So I'm going to demonstrate what that looks like, okay? 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, 4 1,000, 5 1,000, and so on until I tell you to stop. You don't need to get to a certain number, it's just timed, okay? If you put your foot down for any reason, pick it back up, continue to go, okay? Don't restart your count. Hold on just a second. You understand the instructions as I read them to you? You may begin.
1 1,000, 2 1,000, 1 1,003, 1 1,004, 1 1,005, 1 1,006, 1 1,007, 1 1,008, 1 1,009, 1 1,010, 1 1,011, 1 1,012, 1 1,013, 1 1,014, 1 1,015, 1 1,016, 1 1,017, 1 1,018, 1 1,019, 1 1,020, 1 1,021, 1 1,022.
Stop. Alright. We got one more, okay? So the next one, just face this way with me real quick. So what you're going to do, you ever been skiing before?
No, actually I haven't.
Okay, it's kind of like a balance thing, but what you're going to do, you see them grab ski poles? So you're going to bend your knees just like this, grab the ski poles, and then shove back just like that, okay?
Okay.
So, on the count of 3, you're going to do that, okay?
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Now hold that position, okay?
Okay.
Alright. Put your hands behind your back.
Really?
Yes.
Awesome. Awesome. Can you release my car to my house? It's been really long. Oh my goodness.
You're under arrest for DUI. You have somebody that can come get your car?
Can I call my mom?
Yes. We'll walk back this way and we'll get that done, okay?
Oh my goodness.
You want to stand by the tire and face the car? Face the car, yep. Do you have anything on you that's going to stick near above me?
No, sir.
Alright, just going to patch over those pants, okay? Is there anything I missed on you that's going to be introduced into the jail?
No, sir.
No? Okay. What do you want to take with you? Phone, wallet, that kind of stuff?
It's my phone.
Just your phone? Okay. Go ahead and take a seat. I'm going to get your phone, and then we'll work on calling your mom, okay?
I just want to know if there is a...
This is a critical officer safety moment. Right after the cuffs go on, she reveals a loaded firearm within reach. It highlights why officers must secure the driver before searching the vehicle. If you were the deputy, how would this admission change your adrenaline levels?
Officer, can I ask you a question?
Yes, ma'am.
What does this mean for me in the future?
That's a loaded question. What do you mean?
What happens next?
As far as like tonight?
No, just like in the future. Like, will I be able to make my shift on Friday night?
What's today? Thursday. Yeah, you'll be able to get bailed out tomorrow.
Okay. Do you know how much that is?
Don't believe it should be over. So bond amounts, are you aware of how they work or no?
I have no idea.
Okay, so if the bond is like $500, it would be $50 because you pay 10%.
Okay.
Okay. I don't think that this should be more than 500 or 1,000, which means it should be more than 50 or 100 bucks.
Okay.
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 I've got your phone right here.
Thank you.
Yeah, we'll go ahead and call your mom. Okay.
Okay.
What's your password?
It's 080723.
Oops, oh, sorry. 080723.
Yeah.
Okay. Is it your mom?
She should be under recent. Just kind of scroll down. Yeah. She should be. Just scroll down a little bit. It's just Ma, and then she should be there somewhere.
Right there? Okay. Do you want to talk with her?
Yeah.
Okay. Just let me know if you want me to talk with her, okay?
Hi, Mama.
Are you okay?
No.
What happened?
I got pulled over and I'm being taken away for DUI. But my car is right next to Leo's house. Just so you know.
Where is it? Where's your car?
It's right next to Leo's house.
Oh, you were so fucking
I
close.
know. I know. I know. I know.
So where are they taking you? What, can I come get you?
Johnny Polk Correctional Facility.
Johnny Polk Correctional Facility.
It's in Sanford.
Is that the one? Is that the
It's
one
at
by
the courthouse. Oh no.
It's
by the
across from the courthouse.
courthouse?
Yeah.
Okay. I mean, can I
I'm
come
sorry,
get
Mama. I'm so sorry.
you? Baby, I just.
I'm sorry.
I know.
I'm sorry.
Well, it's you, baby.
I know. I'm sorry.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
I know. So they take you down there, and then do I have to wait? Can I come now?
What time will she be able to get me?
Once you get booked in, they'll get you processed and all that stuff. As soon as that happens, then you'll be able to make phone calls, and then once that happens, then she can come get you. Okay.
Okay, so I'll call you whenever I get a chance. I'll take care of whatever it might be to get
Don't
me out.
worry about none of that right now.
I'm sorry, Mama.
I'm glad
so
you're
sorry.
safe, baby. It's okay. It's okay.
I'm sorry.
Okay, it's all right. All right.
All right. You tell her.
No, I'll call you whenever I'm
All right, you
free,
call me.
okay?
All right. Okay. And I'll come get you. All right, honey.
Okay.
I love you. Bye-bye.
Bye, Mama.
Alright, so realistically, we all make mistakes, okay? However, this is one of those that can cost you your life.
I know.
And
I
other people their
wasn't
life.
supposed to go out tonight.
Okay. Alright, did you have any further questions before I get this in the back and get you going?
Would I be able to make one more call or no?
Yeah.
Let me
Let's
just...
do this one.
Yeah, answer it.
Oops.
Hi, baby.
Are you still at work?
No.
What's going on?
I got pulled over on the way home. I stopped and had a few drinks after work. I'm getting taken away.
What?
Yeah.
What do you mean you're getting taken away?
The officer's holding my phone right now. I'm getting arrested for DUI. I'm sorry. But
What the fuck?
I know, but
Please, can I talk to the cop?
No, it's not necessary. There's no need. I will call you whenever I get a minute, okay?
If you need anything, call me and I will come get you.
It's okay. It's alright. I already talked to Mom, so it's okay.
Alright, but seriously, call me as soon as you can, okay?
I will, I promise.
Alright, I love you.
Love you too.
Bye, baby.
Bye.
Alright. Anything else? Okay.
Thank you.
Watch your legs. Alright, that's a good question. Is your mom coming to get the car or what? I don't think you even asked her, did you?
I don't know, but if you want to just take the keys out and leave them in the
No, the
driver's...
thing is we gotta have either family come do it or we gotta tow the car. So
Okay, yeah, she's just right down the road.
let me call her again. You can tell her to come get it.
Yeah.
Hello, you've reached Emma Ernest.
Yeah, one more time.
Hey, baby.
Hey, Mama. So they're saying if you don't come get the car, they're gonna have to impound it. I'm so sorry to do this, though. Would you be able to come get the car?
Okay, no, it's okay. I'll come right now and get it.
Okay, it's right next to Leo's house.
Okay, just, can you leave the keys, like,
That's going to be exactly where you left it.
It's still running. The keys are in the ignition.
Oh. Okay, alright. Do you have to leave it running?
Will we wait for her to get here?
He's going to stand by.
Okay, someone's gonna wait for you to come and get it.
Okay, well, I just put my shoes on and then my pajamas.
You're gonna walk?
I guess.
Are you
No, I'm not gonna walk. I'm afraid of the dark. Are you kidding? No.
Alright.
No, I'm afraid of the dark. Alright, Harold alright, we'll be there in like 2 minutes.
Okay.
Okay?
Alright.
Alright, you okay, honey?
I'll be alright.
Alright, I'll be down to get your car in 2 minutes.
Okay. I love you.
Alright, love you.
Alright, bye.
I've got your license and your registration and stuff with me, so that's going to come with you to the jail, okay?
Okay.
What city were you born in?
Altamont, I believe.
Okay.
Officer, are they gonna hurt me?
What's up?
Are they gonna hurt me in there?
Is who going to hurt you?
I don't notice anybody.
No,
I've heard horror stories. I've never
No,
been.
what's going to happen is you're going to get booked in. Correction officers are going to get you put in the jail code. As soon as that happens, you go into processing, then you get processed, and then you basically sit time in the cell. It's nothing crazy. You're not going to go get in a fight in the middle of the jail.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Alright.
Madisyn later blew a 0.116%, confirming significant impairment and proving those 2 margaritas were likely much stronger. It's a tough lesson. Polite doesn't mean sober, and driving without lights is a beacon for law enforcement. If you found this insight valuable, hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe for the next breakdown.